Alright guys, so this is the installation video for the phone holder. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take your bar cover off. The way I do this is I just take the screwdriver and I kind of pry up till you hear a pop. And then just lift up, and you have to pry it again. There we go. And it just pops right off. So you notice when you take it off, you'll see two little tabs right here. Right there. And those go in these holes. But don't worry about it. If you do happen to break them off, it's not a big deal because it is held on pretty securely right here. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to get yourself an 1/8 inch drill bit, which of course that goes inside the hole here really well. Just make sure it slides in. You're going to want to position this. It's got a little indent, so you want to make sure when you position this that it is as straight as you can get it. It wouldn't matter if you put it over here. It really doesn't matter where this goes, but to look the way it's supposed to. I placed that bottom edge right along there. And that's how it looks right there. Now you're gonna want to drill your 2 holes. Really simple, really quick. All right, so once you get it positioned where you want it, and again, there is no wrong way. Just drill your hole. Hold it down. There's 1. Hold it steady. There's 2. Now you have your 2 holes right there. And after that, it's as simple as putting your hardware on. So your bolt, your washer, place them through. Bolt, washer, slide them in there, and then stick them in the holes. There we go. And then from the back side, just hold these, and you're going to attach your washer and your nut and same thing on the other side, and just tighten them down. So all you got to do on the back side here is just kind of hold this nut and then just tighten it down with your Allen wrench till it's good and snug. Just like that. The same thing on the other side. And you are completely installed. It's tight. So when you use your quad lock case, it's going to fit nice and neat on there. Done, guys. Now put it back on the ski. So for putting it back on the ski, it's pretty simple. And it just snaps into place. There we go. And it is completely installed. It's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. Now when you get ready to use your case, just like a quad lock, it's locked. You can lock it in this position, you can lock it in that position, whichever one you want. I prefer it like this, but you can do it any way you want to. So that will wrap up the installation part of the phone mount. Now, one little bonus here, if you're the type of person like I am, you want to be extra secure, I actually attached a tether to, you can use either side, but this is the type of tether I used to the phone case. So that way when it's on there, you've got a little tether here just in case something were to happen. But it's also something that's very easy to disconnect. You can leave this permanently attached. And all I did through this little part is I cut a little hole and I put it underneath the bolt in the washer and tighten it down. And then this side secured to the case. And then when I want to disconnect it, I just unsnap this and this stays attached all the time. Just a little bonus if you want to do it. It's not required. But yeah, if you want to be extra secure, pick you up any type of a little tether for a camera case or whatever, and I prefer the ones that you can quick disconnect like this. And that way when it's installed, you've got this always there, and then when you get to go use it, just put your case on there and then plug these two in. But just like that. So now you are completely secure. If this were to come off, your phone is still there, attached to the bolt.